there, thank you for tuning into my channel. I really appreciate it. And today I've got a special treat. I know I always say I have a special treat, right? But today I really do. I'm going to be making another hair unit that I am going to install in sections. I want it to be cute and sexy to make me look young. This is the first section of my 3 sections hair unit. It's going to cover the center of my forehead and the back of my head down to where it's going to blend with my own hair. The other 2 sections, which I made from 4 closure pieces, will cover the sides of my head back to the first section. After all 3 sections are installed, my new hair unit will give me a great contoured fit that looks natural and stays bonded longer. After I've lifted my face to look as young as I can, I'm ready to install this hair unit. I start by applying 3 Walker signature contour tapes where the unit is going to meet my hairline. This is a really easy install, everybody. I've customized the fit for each of the 3 units. So once I put it on my head, I know it's going to fit perfectly. This is what I do when I'm making custom units for my clients. After I attach my hair units with the clips all the way around, I use my adhesive, Miss Lola's adhesive cream, to finish this easy installation. this 3-section unit came out. I love it. The unit that attaches with the clips. Very secure. My tapered cut in the back. It's exactly how I imagined it would be. Now for the final styling. First I'm just going to mist it with a little water. The more you wet it, the curlier it becomes. What do you think of my 3-section installation hair unit? And please subscribe, share, comment, like. I just want to hear from you. I really appreciate you watching, and thank you so much for joining me. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.